students, welcome to my channel again. I am Shubha Chakraborty, Assistant Professor in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science in the Department of Computer Application and Science. Let's start our today's topic.
Today our topic is ECommerce Framework. The term ECommerce Framework is related to software framework for e-commerce application. They offer an environment for building an e-commerce application quickly. E-commerce framework are flexible enough to adapt them to your specific requirements. As a result, they are suitable for building virtual all kinds of online shops and e-commerce related application. An e-commerce framework must allow replace all the parts of the framework code. A e-commerce framework should define the general program flow, consist of reusable components, be organized in functional domains. The example of e-commerce framework are Amuse, Spiker, Cilius. There are 6 steps of e-commerce framework. These are e-commerce business planning, website analysis, promotion and advertisement, customer engagement, customer insights, analyzing the business goal. First, the e-commerce business planning. Business planning is very crucial before the task implementation take place in any business. The content creation process involves various work which includes cataloging, product description, product feature, and functions. After the context is placed on e-commerce website, it should be optimized for applications which is also provide a good experience for the user. The basic thing is business planning. If your plan is up to the mark, your business should be on top. Next is website analysis. Website analysis should be done regularly to understand the things which will benefit the organization. The architectural framework of e-commerce have to be in a proper sequence, maintaining the flow of information easy and reliable. User behavior and user experience both become easily understandable through the website and application editing. Using website analysis, we can understand the customer needs, and as per needs we can provide the product so we can increase the profit. Using website analysis, we can also identify our website is user friendly or not and how many people like our website properly. Next thing is promotion and advertisement. Promotion and advertisement activity should be done weekly after understanding the algorithm for search engine and social media platforms. It also having more power in generating more number of users on the e-commerce website. The landing page should be well organized before any advertisement actively take place. Promotion and advertisement can increase our customer and lucrative promotion and advertisement towards your product. You have to promote your product in proper place where customers are generally available. Next is customer engagement. To have better customer engagement, developers should design an architectural framework for e-commerce by analyzing different aspects, assuming the user who is going to visit the website interface. Customer engagement will also take place if the content on the web page matches with the interest for the user. It is very important to assign the filtration field on the web page, especially on the product details page of an e-commerce website or an application. If we give new product, new quality, new offers, customer will be engaged in our website and they can get interest in our e-commerce. Now the customer insights. We have to retain the existing customer and we have to create the new customer. To retain the existing customer, we have to introduce new product, new offer and the product that like the customer. We have to know about the existing customer needs and also have to research for new customer requirement. The architecture framework of e-commerce is also responsible for user action and behavior. Insights must have to be viewed as weekly, monthly, yearly and also customizable. The factors like impression, click, rate, etc. have to be analyzed in the analysis. Actually, there are numerous factors that should be considered for properly analyzing the website. Last but not the least is analyzing the business goal. The goal are made to be achieve the desired action by user on the e-commerce platform and application. The framework of e-commerce can assign different goal which can track it and provide the result to understand if the implementation is done correctly or not. It is not productive in the business if the goal are not set, and without it task execution are taking place for the conversions. So goal set is really important, and without setting a goal we cannot establish a business. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. If you new in my channel, please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss the video from my channel. For more tutorial video, please stay tuned with us. I am Shubho signing off today. Goodbye.